Hi students, good morning. Now continuation of electrochemistry part 1 numericals. And one of the important point, yesterday some current problem. So video not recorded, last problem. Last problem yesterday not completed. So suddenly video not recorded, current problem. Now today continuation of yesterday problem. Okay? Now start. Yesterday I given one problem. One see. E0 for the, once write down, E0 for the, I thought yesterday maybe 13th problem, maybe, E0 for the reaction, E0 for the reaction, Fe, Zn2 plus, sorry, EMF of the cell, EMF of the cell reaction 2Ag plus and Cu gives rise to Ag plus Cu2 plus. Here is 0.46 volts, 46 volt. If E0 of Cu2 plus Cu2 plus Cu is 0.34 volts. So E0 Ag for Ag is there also. Already yesterday don't write the problem. My dear students, don't write the problem. Already yesterday explained but not completed. So main current problem. Now today I will continue the problem. In this case they given four options. First option 0.80 volts, second option 0.12 volts, third option 0.40 volts and the fourth option 1.60 volts. Among the four, which option correct? Once I will say, once listen. So in all problems, one see here 2Ag plus Cu. Generally in electrochemical series, copper first, next silver. Copper first, next silver, you know. First copper, next silver, like that. Copper generally it acts as a anode, silver it acts as a cathode. Among copper and silver, silver acts as cathode, copper acts as a anode. In this case, generally formula EMF equal to E RHS minus E LHS. Among silver and copper, copper acts as anode, silver acts as cathode. EMF given how much? 0.46 equal to, so these are anode. So anode given how much? 0.34 minus, okay, these are we don't know. LHS is nothing but ELHS. LHS means silver, sorry, ERHS, right hand side electrode. So RHS means silver, how much? So ERHS silver, ERHS minus LHS given, copper acts as a anode, so 0.34, okay. ERHS is nothing but silver. Generally ERHS means silver, Ag plus Ag. Silver electrode acts as a right hand side electrode. Silver acts as right hand side electrode. We want ERHS equal to 0.46 plus 0.34. That means simply 0.80 volts. So E of silver ion or silver equal to how much? 0.80. So fourth option correct. Fourth option correct. Write down. Fourth option correct. Okay. Fourth option correct. Write down. And another yesterday given calculation, my dear students, calculation on see. I thought maybe ninth problem. I thought maybe ninth problem. Don't write. I thought maybe ninth problem. One C. Don't write. One C. Ninth problem. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy change redox reaction of Daniell cell yesterday given. Calculate the one C. Calculate the already explained. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy. Standard Gibbs energy change for the redox reaction of Daniell cell. Redox reaction of Daniell cell. Redox reaction of Daniell cell. Here E0 of Daniell cell. Daniell cell equal to 1.1 volts. Already explained. Calculation Excel formula delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. N means in general Daniell cell 2 electrons are involved. Daniell cell reaction Zn plus Cu2 plus gives us to Zn2 plus and Cu. Daniell cell. Here minus 2 into Faraday 96,500 1 Faraday. E naught cell how much? 1.1. These are joules per mole. They are calculated NFE. E naught cell. They are calculated. These are how much value? So 96,500 to 0 1.1 means here 21 calculation on see 21,000 on see I will calculated. These are decimals on see that formula 2 into on see the problem calculation 2 into 96,500 2 into 96,500 into 1.1 that equal to 2 to 300. Correct my dear students. Okay, in this case these are joules per mole. Joule converted into kilojoules. Joules converted to kilojoules means these are 1.23 kilojoules. That answer before yesterday class I given calculation wrong. 21.3 given. Yesterday I given 21.2, not 21.2 my dear students. 212.3 kilojoules. That answer. Already, my dear students, yesterday that problem explained, but calculation wrong. I kept here. Yesterday I calculated 21.3 joules, so 21.3 wrong. 212.3 kilojoules. That problem. Just you change here. So here required. So that can remaining all don't write. So last calculation wrong one C. Okay. Next problem. So 14th problem. And 14th problem. Let's write down 14th problem. On 14th problem, see. their IIT bit one time asked. So previous asked their IIT bit. Previous IIT bit. Previous IIT bit 14. The half cell reaction for the half cell reaction for the half cell reaction for the corrosion or corrosion means rusting. Corrosion or 2H plus of O2 plus 2 electron use rise H2O E naught equal to 1.23 volts. E naught equal 1.23 volts and Fe2 plus 2 electron use rise Fe. Corrosion rusting of iron. Fe is solid. Here E naught equal to minus 0.44 volts. Find the delta G naught in kilojoules. For the overall reaction. Okay. The given options. First option is minus 76. First option is minus 76. Second option minus 332. 322. Third option minus 161. Fourth option minus 152. There are options. First option minus 76. Visible options. First option minus 76. Second option minus 322. Third option minus 161. Last option minus 152. So which option correct? 1C. In this case, we know formula delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell joules per mole. In this case, we want E naught cell P naught cell equal to E RHS minus E LHS required. Here they given two values. So generally H plus iron. Generally H plus 1.23 and iron minus 0.44. Generally hydrogen acts as a cathodic property and iron acts as a anodic property, because in electrochemical series hydrogen before iron is there. Electrochemical series hydrogen before iron is there. Iron acts as a anode, hydrogen acts as a cathode, like that. In this case, so RHS hydrogen given. So here hydrogen how much? Here hydrogen how much? 1.23. Yes students, 1.23 minus so these are next to iron given. So minus 0.44 minus 0.44, 1.23 0.44. So here one see 1.23 minus plus 0.44, that means 1.23 into 0.44 76. So 1.67 volts of E naught cell. Therefore E naught cell equal to 1.67. After that, substitute the formula. Minus delta G naught equal to, here how many electrons are involved? Here how many electrons are involved? 2 electrons are involved. 2 electrons are involved. Here n value 2. That means minus 2, 96,500 into 1.67. Once calculate. Here 96,500 into 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 90. After that 1.67. 1.67 means 7007. Next, 3 here points 1 2 3 to 3 to 2. Here joules. Here joules minus. Here joules. In the here joules came. They given kilojoules option. Joules convert to kilojoules by 1000. Simply 322.3 kilojoules per mole. So answer minus 322 point. So second option correct. Answer actually minus 322.3 kilojoules. Actually joules means how much? So 3,22,310 joules. Joules converted into kilojoules means by multiplied. So generally divided by 1000. So anyway answer minus 322.3 kilojoules. Which option correct? Second option correct. So first compulsory E cell required E naught cell equal to RHS minus E LHS. In this case iron acts as a anode, hydrogen acts as a cathode, like that. Okay, write down my dear students, write down fast. Next problem. Write down. Okay, next. Okay, problem number 15. Problem number 15. So problem number 15. So problem number 15. So problem number 15, what see? E naught Sn2 plus Sn equal to minus 1.14 volts. E naught Pb2 plus by Pb Pb2 plus Pb equal to minus 0.126 volts. The cell reaction of the cell constructed from these two electrodes. From these two electrodes. First option Pb2 plus Sn2 plus gives rise Pb plus Sn. Second, Sn2 plus Pb gives rise Sn plus Pb2 plus. Third, Pb plus Sn gives rise Pb2 plus Sn2 plus. And the last, Sn plus Pb2 plus gives rise Sn2 plus and Pb. Among the four options, which one is correct? One C. My dear students, one see, in this case, In this case, tin and lead. Among tin and lead, generally, among tin and lead, tin minus value, both are minus value. Minus value more means it acts as a minus value, minus sign. So value having minus sign is there, minus sign value more, that is acts as a anode. Among tin and lead, tin acts as a anode, lead acts as a cathode. Anode means tin it reduces lead, tin it reduces, SRP value low. So generally metals having low SRP value act as a anode. That means they are act as a anode. So these are act as a anode. Tin act as a anode. Simply, so these are act as anode. So these are anode. So these are anode, and another one is enol. Pb2 plus y Pb. These are act as a cathode. Anode is oxidation. That tin undergoes oxidation. Simply, tin undergoes oxidation. Oxidation means it reduces Pb2 plus to Pb. So which option correct? Tin correct. Last option. Tin undergoes oxidation. Lead undergoes reduction. That means tin it reduces. Tin undergoes oxidation means it reduces lead plus 2 ion to Pb neutral. So that is a. So answer fourth option correct. So write down fourth option. Because tin anode means it undergoes oxidation. Tin undergoes oxidation, losing of electron. Tin undergoes oxidation, lead undergoes reduction. That means tin it reduces lead plus 2, Pb plus 2, Pb. So that answer, fourth option correct. Next, problem number 16. Problem number 16. So problem number 16. So problem number 16. The standard EMF of a galvanic cell of a galvanic cell involving cell reaction with n equal to 2 is found. To be 0.295 volts at 25 degrees centigrade. The equilibrium constant of the reaction would be here first option 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. Previous they asked for AIMPT, All India Medical Premier Test, AMT exam. Second 2 into 10 to the power 11. 2 into 10 to the power 11. Third 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 10. 4 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 8. So which option correct? 1C. The standard EMF of the galvanic cell involving cell reaction with n equal to is found to be 0.295 volts, 25 degrees centigrade. At 25 degrees, the equilibrium constant of the reaction would be a simple reaction we know. Yesterday given on formula. Standard EMF of the cell on formula given. Simply E naught cell equal to 0.059 by n log of Kc, that formula. or formula required. They ask Kc value. Kc means equilibrium constant, that is equal to reaction quotient. That formula, yesterday given that formula, E naught cell or E naught cell equal to that formula. Okay, in this case 0.295 volts given. So standard EMF E naught cell given how much? E naught cell equal to how much given? E naught cell equal to 0.295 volts given. That means now I will write so substitute the formula E naught cell equal to 0.059 by n log Kc. In this case n value 2, this is a value given 0.295 equal to 0.059 by n2 log Kc. They ask Kc value. After that, how many time cancel? 0.295, these are one time. Simply 0.059 by 0.295. That means 59 by 295. That means 0.2 time cancel. So that means these are 1. They are 0 time 2 cancel. That means 1 equal to 0.2 by 2e into log Kc. Log Kc 0.1 time. 0.1 time. One time these are 0.2 times. 0.295 equal to 0.059 by 2 into log Kc. Zero point 295 into 2 how much? 0.590 equal to 0.059 into log Kc. Log Kc equal to 0.590 by. So these are 0.590 log Kc 0.590 by 0.059 equal to 590 by 59. I mean 10 times. 10 times. These are calculation. Substitute this formula. Okay. Correct. Okay, my dear friends. Five 90 by 59. 10 times. Okay. Next. Log Kc equal to 10. Kc equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power 10. That formula. So first option correct. Log Kc equal to 10. Kc equal to because here is there. That means 1.0 10 to the power 10 because it is a log 10 value like that. Log a power x is x log a. I mean 10 log 1 means 10. Kc log a power Kc means suppose log 10 to the power minus 10 means 10 like that. Log Kc equal to 10. So Kc equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power 10. So first option. Okay, write down. Problem number 17. So problem number 17. So problem number 17, write down. E naught Cu2 plus by Cu equal to plus 0.337 volts. E naught Zn2 plus by Zn equal to minus 0.762 volts. The EMF of the cell, the EMF of the cell, the EMF of the cell within bracket Zn2 plus bracket 0.1 molar in salt bridge. Cu2 plus concentration 0.01 molar by Cu is the given four options. First option plus 1.99 volts. Sorry, 1.099 volts. Second option minus 1.099 volts. Next plus 1.069 volts. 069 volts. Last option minus 1.069 volts. So which option correct one see? In this case, among zinc and copper, zinc undergoes oxidation, copper reduction. Zinc acts as a anode, copper acts as a cathode. We know minus value is there. First we can calculate. We know Nernst equation for metal electrode, like that formula. According to Nernst equation, from the Nernst equation, E both are electrode, metal electrode 0.059 by n log of C. E0 you know how much? And now I am taking zinc. First I am taking zinc. Zinc means minus 0.762 plus 0.059 by 2 electrons node log. Zinc value how much? Zinc concentration 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1. That means minus 0.762. 10 to the power minus 1 means minus. Okay, your how many time cancel? 0.0295 minus into plus minus 0.0295. That means how much? Minus 0.7620 like that and minus 0.0295. So 5197. So minus 0.7915. Minus 0.79 minus 0.7915 volts. That is a zinc. After that copper. Now I am taking copper. Here copper means so E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by n log C. Here E naught given, copper how much given? Here copper given 0.337 plus 0.337 plus 0.059 by copper 2 log copper concentration given, copper concentration 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2. So simply plus 0.337 here minus that means minus 0.059. Log 10 to the power minus 2 value means minus 2. Minus 2 to minus 1, that means okay 0.337 0.0059 equal to here 1 3 0.331 volts 0.3311 volts 331 volts. .337 log 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 2 means 0.059, sorry. 0.059. 8. 0.278. 0.278 volts. 0.278 volts. Okay. So these are zinc. It is a ELHS. These are ERHS. Okay, we know formula. So total E cell equal to ERHS minus ELHS. Your RHS how much? 0.78. 0.278 minus 0.7915, that equal to 0.278 plus 0.7915 equal to 59. 1.069 plus 1.069 volts. 1 plus 1.0695 plus 1.069. Which option correct? That is third option correct. That problem. Anyway, they will give concentration means compulsory we can apply Nernst equation for metal and non-metal. Here both are metal electrode means I applied the same formula E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log Kc, log C. So that formula, okay, write down. Anyway, answer. So that option correct. So answer 1 plus 1.069. Write down. Next 18th problem. Problem number 18. So problem number 18, one see. When Ag plus var by Ag equal to 0.80 volts and E naught Zn 2 plus by Zn equal to minus 0.76 volts. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? The following is correct. First, Ag plus can be reduced by hydrogen, silver can oxidize hydrogen into H plus ion. Third, zinc 2 plus can be reduced by hydrogen. Last, silver can reduce Zn 2 plus ion. On see, silver, zinc given. Actually, among silver and zinc, zinc acts as a anode, silver acts as a cathode. Generally hydrogen before hydrogen in electrochemical series, hydrogen before zinc, hydrogen next to silver is there. Hydrogen before all metals can be replaced by after hydrogen metals from their salt solutions. Here silver undergoes oxidation, silver undergoes reduction, zinc under oxidation. These are cathode. Here silver ion can be reduced by hydrogen. Silver ions can be reduced by hydrogen because hydrogen next is there means hydrogen possible. Silver ion can oxidize by hydrogen. Hydrogen next all ions are reduced property. These are not possible. Zinc can be reduced by hydrogen. Zinc can be reduced by hydrogen. Wrong. Zinc ions can be oxidized by hydrogen. Silver can reduce zinc 2 plus ion. Silver can reduce zinc plus 2 ion. Not. Zinc can reduce silver ion, correct. Zinc can reduce silver ion, correct. Silver ion can be reduced by hydrogen. Silver ions can be reduced by hydrogen. These are correct. Generally silver, after hydrogen silver is there. Silver ions can be reduced by hydrogen. So with use of hydrogen, silver ions can be reduced. So which option correct? Silver ions can be, because in electrochemical series after hydrogen silver is there. After hydrogen all metal ions can be easily reduced. Anyway, silver ions can be reduced by hydrogen. Silver ions can be reduced by hydrogen. So these are in electrochemical series concepts. Okay, my dear students, problems up to here enough. Remaining problem after that is, if possible at home, once see your books also. So compulsory properly write in your notes and classwork. Okay, properly you maintain the classwork, please. Okay, so maximum all member writing, okay, maybe 1 or 2 members writing somewhat okay. So maintain the neatness. Okay, presentation very important for IP point of view also. Presentation nice means they will give nice marks. Okay na, compulsory. So presentation very important to maintain the, so properly so maintain the properly your notes, classwork. Okay, my dear students, next class I will start on next concept, not problems. So part 1 completed, part 2 extra electrochemistry 3 parts. So next part 2 next class tomorrow day after tomorrow I will start next class. Okay, next class means conductance types, very important. Second, next concept very important, very use. Okay na, for IIT NEET level and IP point of view. Okay, my dear students, thank you for all.